Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota 86 versus the Subaru BRZ. Let's explore their core similarities and subtle differences. Both vehicles are celebrated for their engaging driving experience, sharing a robust 2.4-liter boxer engine. This powerplant delivers 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, allowing them to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.4 seconds. They truly offer impressive performance for their class. While sharing a platform, the 86 and BRZ offer distinct driving personalities. The Toyota 86 is often described as having a more aggressive, oversteer-friendly nature, making it feel a bit more lively. In contrast, the Subaru BRZ is tuned for greater stability and a slightly more comfortable ride, which can be preferable for daily driving. These subtle differences stem from variations in their suspension tuning and how components like the sway bars are mounted. Visually, the Toyota 86 and Subaru BRZ are nearly identical from the side and rear, but their front fascias set them apart. The 86 typically features a more aggressive grille and bumper design, while the BRZ has a slightly softer, more elegant look. Inside, both offer a driver-focused cabin with a 2+2 seating arrangement, though the rear seats are best suited for small bags or occasional short trips. You'll find similar layouts, with minor distinctions in trim and upholstery options. When it comes to value, the Toyota GR86 often presents a more budget-friendly entry point, with its starting price frequently undercutting the Subaru BRZ. Depending on the trim levels and available options, this price difference can sometimes exceed $5,000. Both cars offer excellent performance for their cost, making them compelling choices for enthusiasts. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. You can find a link to these, along with other great deals, in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.